Warren Buffett's advice for young people who want to be rich. Part 1. Warren Buffett gives young people who want to be wealthy some piece of advice. I will be sharing this advice in 2 parts. I will share 5 of his piece of advice in part 1 of this video and share others in part 2. So, after watching part 1, search for the second part to have a full dose of his advice. Warren Buffett is possibly one of the most prosperous investors to live. In 1960, when Warren Buffett was 30 years old, he became a millionaire, and ever since, he has been included among the richest people in the world. Warren Buffett has offered numerous pieces of advice to young people over the years on how to prosper and amass riches. In this video, I'll share 5 of Warren Buffett's most inspiring advice with you. The 4th advice is really important. Therefore, you should try to watch this video to the end. If you're a new visitor, subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified when we upload interesting and inspiring videos like this. Advice number 1. I will tell you how to become rich. Close the doors. Be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. As a youth or young adult, even if this is the only advice you can take from me, you should take it very seriously. That advice is, always be different. Go against the tide. Do the opposite of what others are doing when you have figured out what they are doing. This is very important because a majority of people don't think before they act. They don't want to stress themselves. They hardly use their brain. Think about how few individuals will not buy stocks until they are insanely expensive. Sadly, that is the time when shrewd businessmen are selling. Successful people cannot be average people. Do not ever be normal. Don't go by norms. Find out what everyone is doing, and then go in the exact opposite direction. Advice number 2, sometimes, no matter how much talent or effort is put in, it just needs time. You cannot have a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. What do you think is the primary reason that the majority of people around the world are poor and unsuccessful? Well, acquiring wealth and success calls for perseverance, unwavering dedication, and exceptional toughness, strong determination. To walk the arduous path that leads to achievement and success, you must have patience and persevere through the challenging times. Things that are exceptional take time. There is no way to get 9 women pregnant now and give birth the following month. So be patient in life. Just keep doing the little you can on a daily basis with focus, commitment, and dedication. Advice number 3, spend time with educated people who are smarter than you. Choose employees who behave or perform better than you do. Young people associate and interact with each other more than other age group. Sadly, the vast majority of people are ignorant of their social networks. Spend time with people who are better than you. If you are the best among your friends, then, it's time to leave that group. Be in the company of people that you are consistently learning from. Let's do an exercise now. Stop the video, make a list of your top 5 companions, close your eyes, and project where they will be in 5 years. I'm sorry, but that's where you're going to be. Make friends with people who know more than you do. If you want to grow and develop as a person, break up relationships with unmotivated people who are going nowhere. Choose your friends carefully since you are only as good as the individuals you hang out with. Advice number 4, you don't have to be smarter than everyone else. You must possess more restraint than the others. You must be more disciplined than others. Ignore all the knowledge you've been given about intelligence and talent. Like salt in the world, abilities are everywhere. Many people with 200 IQs are in need of money and very broke. If you want to achieve real success in whatever you want to do, you must be disciplined, persistent, devoted, tenacious, and determined. Remember this, talent is never enough. Advice number 5, time management. In order to manage your time effectively, you must learn to say no. You can't let other people decide what's important in your life. When you look around, all you see is distraction. Distraction is calling you from every angle. There is a lot of social media, parties, TV and entertainment channels everywhere. Although fascinating, none of these things really contribute to who we are or want to be. The longer you put those things away, the more time you have to work effectively on things that really matter. Also, you must learn to manage your priority right. Prioritize your task and focus on the most important one first. Like I said earlier, this advice is in 2 parts. Check part 2 for other inspiring advice by Warren Buffett. You don't want to miss part 2 of this video. You will see the link to part 2 is the description below. If you enjoyed this video, we would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. Well, before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this.